Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Citibank credit card, complete guide step by step clearly. To log into your Citibank credit card account, begin by opening your web browser. In the address bar, type in the official Citibank website URL. Press the enter key to navigate to the site. Once the home page loads, locate the sign on button, usually found at the top right corner of the page. Click on the sign on button. You will be directed to the login page. On this page, enter your user ID in the appropriate input field. Next, type your password in the designated input box. Make sure to check for any typos to ensure correct entry. If you have forgotten your user ID or password, look for the Forgot User ID or Password link. Click on that link and follow the prompts to reset your credentials. After entering your user ID and password, confirm that you are not a robot if prompted. Then, click the Sign On button to proceed. Once logged in, you will be taken to your account dashboard. Here, you can view your credit card balance, transactions, and other account details. If it's your first time logging in, consider setting up additional security features. This can include enabling two-factor authentication for added protection. Now, you can manage your Citibank credit card conveniently online. For any issues, look for the Help or Support section on the website. They provide additional assistance for login problems or account inquiries. Remember to log out of your account when you're finished. This ensures the security of your personal information. You've now successfully logged in to your Citibank credit card account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.